Hey everybody, this is Brett, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the charcoal part of the air filter in a Blueair air filter that looks like these. And this is removed, with this removed, and I recently blew these out, and if you've not seen the video where I show you how to just clean them out versus throw them away and spend another $80, then you can watch that right there. Or is it there? No, it's there. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to replace this old material. Look at that, I can do it with one hand. Stop, there we go. This old material with this new material that I just bought. Pretty simple, huh? Does it look very hard? Well, I'm just going to take that out. I'm going to duplicate the piece, and then I'm going to push it back in there, and we're good to go. Okay, so I am a seamster, and I've got this cutting board, and I'm going to use this straight edge, and I'm going to use a cutting wheel to do it perfect. Effing perfect. I always say that. Okay, like that. Got it lined up with the corner. Got that lined up with the edge. Like that. Take this, like that. Take this, like that. There we go, I've duplicated it. There's my new piece ready to go in. Now when I pulled that out of there, these were obviously attached in the corners, and so there's a little piece in the corner that I got to get out of there so that that'll fit in. So I'm going to try and use these needle nose pliers to do that. Okay, to get those pieces out of there like that, nice and clean, what I did was I took this razor blade and I went and I went like this. This is a big one. There. You gotta put pressure on it and pop the glue. They're held in by glue. Okay. Now pull it out of there. Okay. Okay, so now the corners are clean and I should be able to slide this in there. Now, this material that I just bought is not quite as thick as the old. It looks like it's more dense, but it's not as thick. So it's not going to be quite as tight, but you'll have to just, you know, let's see what the diameter of this is, the thickness is. Okay, I don't have my calipers, they're out in the car, but it's roughly an eighth of an inch thick, and this is about a 1/16 of an inch thick. So it's still going to be fine. I'm just going to meander it in there all the way around. And I'll bet you $1 I can get it in there. If I don't, I'll owe a lot of people $1, depending on how many watch this video, huh? Okay. You owe me $1. Woohoo! Let's do the other two. So these corner pieces are a pain in the butt, but after you've got them out, at least you don't have to do it again. And as I've shown you in that video, as I mentioned before, that these filters, you can blow them out and use them over and over and over again. And I blow these out like once every 6 weeks just to keep them nice and clean instead of allowing them to get all built up full of stuff. And I imagine that they'll, in all honesty, last for many years. I've had this set for a couple of years. They're recommending, of course, that you get them replaced every 6-9 months or something like that. Oh, I wonder why. Okay, so the next time I blow these filters out, I think I'll probably just take these out for a few minutes to blow them out, and that'll be better so that stuff doesn't get all stuck in this. And yeah. Okay, here goes the second one. No problem. Good for the earth to save these and use them over and over again. Just clean them. Put some new charcoal material in there. Look at that. Look at that. Good to go. Okay, let's do this last one. So somebody might ask, where do you buy new charcoal filter material stuff? And I'll tell you that I bought this on Amazon.com. Have you heard of them? They're on the internet. And you just look up charcoal filter replacement material. And then you will find some various products. So there you go. I did the whole thing in about 15 or 20 minutes, including making this informative video for you. And I hope that this has helped you and shown you how to be able to do this. It's a quite simple operation. Let's go install them and see if the machine still works. Man, it's not easy doing stuff when you're trying to make a video at the same time. Okay. Woo, man, I'm not going to have to smell as much smoke from my neighbor's wood-burning stove. Where's the top? There we go. Hey, it still works. That's great. So I want to thank you so much for joining me. If you've not seen all my amazing videos teaching you how to massage your own bod and get yourself out of pain, did you know that you can do that? You can massage your own body like this and get out of pain. And just think, all of those years of school in elementary, junior high, and high school, and college, and advanced, like degrees, they never taught you that you can massage your own body and get out of pain. Why? Is it because they want to get you on pain meds and going to medical doctors over and over again so that they can get you on all kinds of vaccines and various drugs? Probably. But I'm not speculating because YouTube might take down my channel. Anyways, so I want to thank you so much for joining me. Check out my products at brettsnaturalhealth.com. Be well.